Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about CSS Display Property and we will check various options in the display. So start with the title CSS Display and a heading H1. Let's write few paragraphs. And then a div and a few more paragraphs. So this is our page that we created so far, and here you can see that the divs are here. All of the spans inside div are here. Let's write CSS for a span display block. And here you can see that now our span in blocks, they have their own block. And now they are separate with each other. Let's create another div. And span 1, 2, 3, and here 1, 2, 3. And here you can see that when we remove block 1, 2, 3 is in one line. If we inspect the element, then we can see that the 1, 2, 3, all the spans are having their own blocks. These spans have their own block. For paragraph, let's make it inline. And when we did inline, all the paragraphs are concatenated. Let's try this in this div and then span display inline, and here you can see that these elements are close to each other. Let's create another div, unordered list. And here you can see that list items. And if we use display inline, then let's assign a class to this div 1, and if we use display none, you can see that there is no such div now. Let's comment this and let's use visibility hidden, and here you can see that the div is occupying its space. And here you can see that in inspect elements we have the div and it's taking its own height. But if we check with the display none, then it is not occupying any space. Visibility hidden is occupying space, while display none is not occupying the space. Let's change li display from inline to inline block. And here you can apply width, let's suppose 200 pixels, and here the li is having its own width. But if we change it to inline, then it has no meaning of width. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.